What is the long-term trading strategy and short-term trading strategy for Tesla? If you want to trade Tesla successfully and make money from it, click like, subscribe, and share with your friend right now. Last Thursday, basically, I give you warning about Wednesday and Thursday on Tesla and Meta. If you follow my channel and you are a short-term trader, basically, you will follow the strategy to do some action and you're making pretty good profit and avoid these 2 days, the loss. Okay, so welcome to ymchannel. This one is about trading strategy and money mindset to make more money. Click like, subscribe, and share with your friend right now. And we are just doing the chat sharing. We're just doing the technical analysis sharing. We don't recommend you to do any trade. So now we look at my favorite Tesla. I just doing the sharing here. So basically last Thursday, I have mentioned, hello, Thursday, which is like October 10th, I mentioned we could hit the top of this trend line. Okay, so you could come down. And it did come down quite crazily. If you follow my channel, like a dark hard fans, and you could avoid what 7% profit of 7% loss. So you save 7% of your money. You make profit here. Okay, so it's pretty easy pattern. Let's say you don't have my indicator, you can still do it. Okay, you just need to learn more. Okay, so now if you have my indicator, I also mentioned you follow my indicator, the fast line. If you can sell below this red line, when you go below, you sell. So basically, you just sell in 1 day after this. Okay, so which is pretty good, right? You bought here, you sell here. Do you make money with this indicator? This is a very easy indicator. So some people say, oh, but later I explain you more. Okay, so now look at this. What is next? And what's going on? So I want to show you Tesla love this kind of triangle pattern, and you have to learn it. So which is like link the top together, and they bouncing between the top and the bottom. You link the top together, you link the bottom together, it form a triangle, and you run beautifully. And it happened for a few times on Tesla and on some other big stock, and also ETH. And this is a famous pattern, which I love it, because after they break the trend, they break out the triangle, they boom, they will have a super huge move every single time. Even here, they have a super huge move here. Okay, so which is I love this pattern because it's so obvious, and you don't tell me you don't see it. I mean, look at here, look at here. Okay, so this is called triangle pattern. So basically, last video I have mentioned Tesla is stronger than the Nasdaq index because it's not a parallel downward trend, but it's a triangle trend. At least we have a higher low rather than lower low. Okay, so now we're forming this. So what is next for Tesla? I've mentioned on my last video for Tesla last Thursday. The Tesla basically will form these two patterns. Either option A, they break through, go upward, they go up. Option B, boom, they go down. Okay, so we need to wait. So they're squeezing the power inside this small triangle. That's why after the small triangle, they will have a big momentum to go down, go up or go down. Okay, so it's just like before the big storm, you always become very calm. Do you agree with me? So this is the pattern. This is historic pattern. This is not me making it up. It's not me invented. This is historical pattern. So you can see from many stock example. So I want to show you also one thing. When you have my indicator, look at this. This is the blue line. Blue line can tell you the trend. I told you when the blue line is going downward, we don't buy the stock. We don't hold the stock. When the trend is going downward to upward, we will start for long-term trader. We can start to buy the stock. Is it clear? Let's say you buy here, they go all the way up, you sell here. Is it clear? So right now, basically, before I say this one would be a rebound, but now look at this. What is the trend? It's going upward, number one. Number two is if you're a short-term trader, look at this. You can trade with this red line. Okay, so when the red line, when the stock is above this red line and the red line is going up, we buy. We sell when they're going down below this red line. Okay, you have to sell it when they go below red line, especially when the blue line is going downward. Is it clear? When the blue line is going downward and they go below this red, we sell it. Especially you're a short-term trader, you can make very good money with this red line. Okay, I think in one of my video, I will also teach you how to trade with the short term, how to make quick profit within 2 weeks. Okay, like 10% something. So I don't recommend for everyone because I know most of you have a job, which is fine. But with my indicator, they can tell you significantly, save you a lot of time. When you go downward, will you still consider to buy? No. When you go downward, no. When you go upward, then it is your buying opportunity. And now, although they drop, but it gives us an opportunity. So we need this one to stop dropping and give us some buy signal. Okay, what is the buy signal? I've mentioned many times in my video. When the blue line go upward, when this trend go down, we have few buy signal, and they go above this blue line. This is the first buy signal, but we have different strategy to buy. So you need to watch my video or subscribe to my complete course to learn more about that. Or subscribe to this indicator. I also provide you the video how to trade with the indicator. So now back to the point, why we are squeezing, why we are not moving, because the funding is not so active. Look at this. This is called ymchannel to tell you the institution holding. Are there a lot of holding here? No, it's decreasing. It's decreasing. That's why it's not so active here. It's not pumping up so quickly because we need this purple line to go up again, and the red bar have to go above this purple line again. Okay, this basically is one peak lower than the other, lower. Basically, we need this getting strong again. Minimum is the red bar go above this purple line, minimum. Another thing to tell you is YM big buy. So this is a short-term indicator to tell us strong market and weak market. Above 0, we can consider. Below 0, we don't consider. Green is the buy market for big volume. Red is the sell market for the big volume. Okay, so now we're in the red. We're still above 0. So we need this one fresher green above 0. So we are just about to make a decision, basically very, I think within 1 or 2 candle. Okay, I think Monday or Tuesday, we can make a decision unless they go very slowly. Okay, so are you excited? This is for short-term trader. How about the long-term trader? Long-term trader, basically on September 4th of September, I have mentioned we have a special pattern for Tesla. So this is a weekly chart. Okay, so basically what happened is I want to show you September 4th. Do you remember what did I mention you? So we are forming a what pattern? Look at here. What does it call? So we're still waiting here. So I use blue. Stronger line. This blue line, what does it call? This is called head and shoulder pattern. And this is amazing pattern. You can predict the future price as well. And I predict it very accurately for Apple. If you watch my video back, basically the peak difference, which is only $0.2. And isn't it amazing? This is amazing. It helped me to make quite a lot of money and reduce the risk. So if you want to learn, click like, subscribe, and share with your friend. Let's learn it together. And I will share a lot of free video. And if you want to learn the complete strategy, I also have a complete course. And right now the course is full, so you can subscribe for the waiting list. So I will have very soon we will have another class. Okay, so now we look at this pattern. So we are not yet complete this pattern. For long-term trader, what kind of price are you looking for? So I tell you. Basically, you need to break through this line because this is the head and shoulder. Oops. This is the head and shoulder, the shoulder line. So basically you need to break through around 300 this line to go up. So what happened is, so we are now here. So either up, we test the support and go up again. Okay, so for long-term trader, you can buy here, the first buy, the second buy. Okay, and what if they don't go this way? What if they go another way? So up, go down. Then you need to be careful. Why? Because it's double M. What does it mean, double M? What does it mean, this pattern? Yes, double top. So I use a red to show you here because it's quite dangerous. Boom, boom, boom. Two double top, come down again. This is quite a strong resistance, by the way. So don't ignore this. So this is for long-term trader. It could happen to come back here. The good thing is the island's reverse has been destroyed. I have mentioned you. So watch my video back and I will put the link in the end of the video so you can click again. What does it mean? Island's reverse. I don't want to repeat again. Okay, so this is for Tesla weekly chart. So let me show you if you have my indicator. You can see the trend line, we are still going upward. But I want to show you this one. Okay, this one you have understand the head and shoulder. You don't need my indicator to tell the head and shoulder. You just use your eyes, okay? So the other thing I want to show you is this one. Look at this downward trend. Is it beautiful? Is it beautiful? So this is downward, right? Boom, 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 boom. When they hit this trend line, they come down. When they hit, they come down until here, a one big green candle go up by 14%. So it's quite a strong force. They go up, they come back to retest this support. The resistance becomes support because they go above this line. It is so beautiful trend. So I think it's a very beautiful trend. And then you can see from here, and they have formed a higher high and higher low. Okay, so for long term, for Tesla, do you need to worry? You see this one, they have an upward channel here. You see here? Beautiful. And they stop right before this trend line. Is it beautiful? This one is a strong support line. Even they have a triangle inside, boom, 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 boom. But I mean, for long-term trader, do you need to worry? Yeah, so you just need to read. Oh, if you haven't got anything, if you have, let's say if you don't have anything for Tesla, you can wait for the head and shoulder pattern, which is around 300 for the buying point. Okay, but have to stay green candle above 30, above 300. Sorry, above 300, and then you can buy. This is weekly chart, so the weekly candle stay above 30. The closing be like above 30, okay? Not the red candle go above 30, but the green candle go above 30, closing above 30. Is it clear? Any question, you can post the comment below. Just want to show you how strong is this 300, the resistance. Even here, they have one resistance. It's pretty strong. You see the peak, even here they have a gap here. So it's pretty strong one, okay? So it would take, that's why it takes few times to bounce, to fight against this trend line, okay? But it is beautiful pattern. And I want you to learn this kind, to use Tesla. I learned so much from Tesla because they have so much pattern inside. It's just amazing. Triangle pattern, or the downtrend, the uptrend, and this is huge information. So you just need to be careful about this, because after this upper trend, if they break they go down. This is huge. This is huge. It's not just daily chart. It's not just daily chart. It's not just daily chart, because for this is weekly chart. This is a huge channel, and you break through, this one will be a big downward trend. Okay, this is quite crazy. So I want you to be a bit more alert how to trade the daily chart. The short-term trader, you wait for this triangle if you don't have my indicator, and I want you to check also here for long-term investor to check the head and shoulder pattern and wait for this signal. Some people ask, can you buy here, like to play with the channel, right? If you play with the channel, go with my daily chart strategy, because you are still bouncing up, still bouncing down inside this, and you just wait for a few more candle. How many days do we need to wait? So, okay, maximum, we just need to wait until November 6th, maximum, right? November 6th. So it's very soon, which can wait. Or look at my indicator. You can already to make some decision. When they go below, they come back up above this blue line. And then this is the buy signal. Okay? This is pretty easy buy signal. Look at here. After the triangle. This is quite crazy. Look at this triangle things. I want to show you. When they break up, when they break above this triangle, it's a bit different, but when they go through this triangle, they come back to test this blue line. You see here? Let me enlarge it for you too. They come back to test the blue line. And here, let's say you, with my indicator, you don't need how to draw the trend line, okay? They come back, they go up. When they flash a green candle, is the buy signal. Buy signal here and here and here. Is it cool? Is it cool? So click like right now if you find this is cool. So I have a small game with you. So a small price. Okay. So basically, we have follow few stock, and one of the stock I did not mention for a very long time. The stock code start with A, capital, like letters A, and it just break through the trend line. So let's have a guess. What is the stock I just mentioned? Which stock just break through the long downward trend, and we need to follow that trend, that stock also. So in the future, actually next week I will make one video about that stock, and it used to be one of my favorite stock, also one famous stock. So I see you in the next video. Click like, subscribe, and share with your friend, and subscribe to this indicator if you don't have it. You can unsubscribe anytime or subscribe to my complete course. So see you in the next video. Everyone have a beautiful day. Oh, by the way, I want you guys to think about world peace, because right now we have so many conflict, so many fights, so many negative things. I want you to think more, to give the signal out to the universe about the positive thing. Beautiful world, peaceful, love. I want you to do that. Don't think about the negative, but think about positive. When the signals go out, will give you some good impact as well, and give your surrounding good impact. And this is an energy thing. So I want you to think about world peace, peaceful, love, positive. Okay, so I see you in the next video, and goodbye.